Look at that up there, where the rain sheet's blowing.
Oh yeah.
We'll have roofers in our yard, in our neighborhood the next couple of days, looking for business.
You think so?
Uh-huh. They get our hail reports. The whole hail damage of a roof is kind of a mystery to me. Well, look at this, Abby. Here's a big one, some big ones. Ow. Okay, get in.
Go, Abby! Woo!
My gosh, this is like almost tornado strength winds. Get the ladder! Get the ladder! Get the ladder! It's safe! Our fence is gone! Yes?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Our grill's on the ground!
Holy crap! This is a tornado! Oh my God!
I think we just had a tornado.
I think we did too! Oh my gosh!
Joshua, stop it.
I was happy.
How did our power not go out through all that?
I don't know. Come on.
I'm actually shaking. That actually scared me.